Hey guys, John here with Vapor Honing Technologies today, and we wanted to show you a very common application that we work with throughout the month for different customers, and that is weld cleaning. Cleaning welded assemblies that can fit in our standard cabinet sizes all the way up to our VH4000. And obviously you can fit some very large welded assemblies in that cabinet. But this process is really good for what some of you know as passivating a weld, or cleaning the weld discoloration and the tarnish from the weldment itself. This was a 12 gauge 304 stainless steel part that has been MIG welded, and obviously we had some discoloration that we wanted to show you could remove using the vapor honing process. We used a very fine media. It was very quick and easy process to do. This was about a 2-inch weld, 1.5 inch, 2-inch weld here. Yeah, 1.5 inches to 2 inches. And the process was very easy. If you wanted to just clean the weld joint itself, you can do that without affecting much of the other area of the part. If you wanted to provide a nice, consistent, even finish across this assembly, you could also do that as well. That's going to take you a little more time to do, but the main point was to show you that you can actually clean welds. A lot of people have questions about that, whether it's a TIG weld, a MIG weld. You can actually clean those very well and very effortlessly. Obviously, if you wanted to do this the manual hand way, you're going to have to do some buffing, some scrubbing, some sanding, or you're going to have to use some nasty passivating paste to actually get it here and clean this. Obviously, you guys know that passivating paste is kind of a thing of the past nowadays because of the regulations behind that. There are new methods as well, an electrochemical process that you could use, but this is a fairly easy, low-cost way to clean welded assemblies, and we do this a lot, specifically in the food industry, and it's something that you should be aware of if you have stainless steel that you need to clean and make look decent for the customer. You could also do this as a secondary process too. If you're actually going to grind this joint and kind of sand and buff it out, you could then provide a consistent means of surface finishing after that as well. So hope you guys enjoyed this application. If you have something similar or something totally different that you have questions about, please give the sales team a call. They're here and happy to help you with anything that you might have. Also, put some comments in the below. We'll get to those. We'd love to see what you guys have to say about this and how we can further help you. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram, and like the Facebook page for daily and weekly updates. Thanks for watching.